So LCM is the lowest common multiple of two or more numbers. What is LCM? The smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is the LCM. So as the name suggests, it is the common multiple, which is the smallest common multiple of two or more given numbers. So in order to get this definition cleared, I have given an example here where I have displayed the multiples of 3 and 5. So in this 15, 30, 45, 60 and so on are the common numbers, common multiples of 3 and 5, and the 15 is the smallest common multiple, right? So 15 is the LCM of 3 and 5. So in order to get this so much clear, I have given you another example where I have given the example multiple of 9 and 12. So in this 36 is the common multiple between 9 as well as 12, and also it is the smallest. So 36 is the multiple of LCM of 9 and 12. And there are three methods to find the LCM of given numbers. The first is traditional method, and the second is long division method, and the third is the shortcut method. So in the traditional method, we have to write the multiples. Like if they have given the multiple of 8 and 12, we have to write all the multiples, and we have to find what is the common multiple that is common between the both. This is, although it's quite complicated, it's not advisable, and also it is not advisable to use in examinations. So it's a need to learn it, right? The second is long division method. I guess this is quite familiar for you all because it is a thing which we have learnt in our 5th or 6th standard. So I hope there is no doubt in this method. Third method is shortcut method. In the shortcut method, there are two steps which we have to proceed in order to find the LCM of the given number. And the first step, we have to first find out what is the largest number given, right? In the example I have displayed, in order to find the LCM of 12 and 24, we have to get the largest number between that, right? So here 24 is the largest number. So with this largest number, we have to proceed the second step, where we have to find whether this largest number would be get divided by the remaining numbers. Here the remaining number is 12, right? So 24 is the number that will be get divided by 12. Hence, 24 is the LCM of 12 as well as 24, right? And also I have given another example where this concept would be get much clear. So here I have given to find the LCM of 12 and 8. So here 12 is the largest number, right? There is no any doubt in that. And we found that 12 is the number which won't get divided by 8. So we have to check whether the multiple of 12 are 24, like, and so on. So the multiple of 12, which is 12 into 2, 24 would be divided by 8, right? Because 8 3s are 24, and hence 24 is the LCM of 12 as well as 8. I hope this is clear, and it's your time to calculate the LCM of 12, 6, 2, 4 and 8. I'll give you a minute of 1. Please solve this and say me the answer. The answer is 24, because 24 is the number that would be get divided by 12, 2, 4 as well as 8. So 24 is the LCM of three numbers. Let us move on to find the LCM of fractions. So right now we have learned how to find the LCM of integers, but we are now going to learn how to find the LCM of fractions. So before moving into that, we have to first understand what is HCF. So HCF is the highest common factors between two or more numbers. I hope everyone are familiar with the word factors, which is nothing but numbers that when multiplied with another produces a given number. So here let us take 18. So in order to get 18, we have to multiply through 2, 3 and 3. So 2, 3 and 3 are the factors of 18, right? So HCF is the highest common factors. So here I have displayed 18 as well as 24, where 2, 3 and 3 are the common factors, that is between 18 and 54. So 18 is the common multiple, common HCF of 18 is the common multiple of 18 as well as 54. So that is the HCF of the both numbers. So in order to find the LCM of fractions, we have to get to know about the formula, which is LCM of numerator by the HCF of denominator. This is quite easy to get. So I have given an example, which is to find the LCM of 27 by 50, 9 by 20, 6 by 25. So the steps are as I displayed before. First we have to find the LCM of numerator, HCF of denominator, and then convert that into fraction. Here the LCM of 27, 9 and 6 is 54, because 27 is the number that won't get divided by 6. So 27 into 2, which is 54, is the number which will be get divided by 9 as well as 6. And in order to find the HCF of 50, 20 and 25, we are well known that 5 is the common factor between 50, 20 as well as 20. So the LCM of the given fraction is 54 by 5. Please solve this and say me the answer. I'll give you again the 1 minute. The answer is 140 by 3. So the next is to find the LCM of decimal values. This is also quite easy, but there are some concepts which is tricky. So let us learn that. There are 4 steps in order to find the LCM of decimal values. The first step is first we have to convert all the values into equal decimal numbers, and secondly we have to multiply 10 or 100 according to how many decimal values we have, and after multiplying that with the integer values we have to find the LCM of those numbers, and we have to divide the LCM of those numbers with 10 or 1000 or 100 which we have multiplied in the second step here in order to find the LCM of the given decimal values. It's quite hard to understand, but if we see this example, it is easy to do. So I have given the question 1.2, 1.5, 2 and 5. So in the first step, we have to convert all the values with equal decimal values, because in 1.2 and 1.5, we have only one decimal value, but in 2 and 5, we do not have any decimal value. In order to convert that into one decimal value, we have to do nothing but 0.0, right? We have to convert 2 and 5 into 2.0 and 5.0. After converting that, we have to check how many decimal values do we have and multiply 10 or 100 or 1000 if we have 1 or 2 or 3 decimal values. After multiplying 10 with the decimal numbers, we will get 12, 15, 20 and 50 as the number. So it's easy that we already know how to find the LCM of integers. And after finding the LCM, we get 300. And the next step is we have to find the LCM of the decimal value. So in order to do that, we have to divide the number which we have multiplied in the second step here, right? So we have multiplied 10 here. So here we have to divide it in order to find the LCM of the given 1.2, 1.5, 2 and 5, which is 30. In this example 2, I have given to find the LCM of 1.02 and 0.24 as well as 6. So here we know that 2 is the decimal values, that 2 is the maximum decimal value which we do have here. So we have to multiply all the values with 100, and after doing that we get 120, 24, 60 as the integers. So we have to find the LCM of those number, and we get that 600 is the LCM. And after that we have to divide, right, 600 by 100 which we have multiplied above. So we have, and at last we get the LCM of those decimal values as 6. So the next topic is the product of numbers. This is very much easy because this is a basic concept which include numerical multiplication and division. So the property of this is the product of two numbers is equal to the product of its LCM and HCF, right? So the formula for this is N1 into N2 equal to LCM into HCF. I have given a question here which will make you the concept clear. So the LCM and HCF of two numbers are 1260 and 63, where one of its number is 315 and we have to find the other number. So as I've given in the formula, N1 135 into the unknown number equal to LCM, which is 1260 and 63. And after doing the division and multiplication, we get that the value of the unknown number is 252. Before moving on to the next topic, please note this basic concept. So 2, where I have given here is the divisor, which is the number that will divide the dividend, right? So dividend is the number which will get divided by the divisor. The remainder is the number which we get after dividing the divisor with the dividend. So here you have to note that when we add this 8 with the remainder, we'll get the number, the dividend number. So this is the concept which we're gonna use now. Okay, 8 plus 1 is 9. So you have to note that. So the next topic is the same remainder concept. In this, I have given the question. We have to find the least number, which when divided by 4, 6, 8, 12, leave a remainder 2. This question is a bit tricky, but it's easy to understand as well. So in this question, we do have 2 steps to accomplish. In this step 1, we have to find the LCM of the given number. Means 4, 6, 8 and 12. The LCM of that number is 48. And with that LCM, we have to do certain things which I have given in this step 2. So here you have to put this LCM here, means in the below the dividend, you have to give this remainder below. And if we add 48 plus 2, we'll get the number which we have to find, which is a least number, that is get divided by 6 4 and 8. Right? This is the concept behind this. So in order to say it short, first we have to find the LCM and we have to add the LCM with the remainder that is given in the question. You have to find the least number which when divided by 12, 15, 20 and 54 that leave remainder 4. So in the first step we have to find the LCM which is 540, and after that we have to add that number, means add LCM which is 554 with the remainder that is given in the question which is 4. So we will get 554 as the answer, which is the least common number. If you do have doubt, then multiply then divide 12 with 12, 15, 20 as well as 54 with 554. You will get the remainder 4. We have learned same remainder concept. Now we are going to learn different remainder concept, which is also very easy to learn. So here in this question I have given that we have to find the least number which when divided by 10, 9, 8 that leave remainder 9, 8 and 7. So here also we have two steps. In the first step we have to find the difference between the dividend as well as the remainder. So 10 minus 9 is 1, 9 minus 8 is also 1 and 8 minus 7 is also 1. And with this difference we have to do something. In this step 2, we have to find the LCM of the 10, 9 as well as 8 and we have to subtract the difference with the LCM. You will get the concept clear by seeing this answer. So here I have given to find the LCM of 10, 9 and 8 which is 360, and with this 360 we have to subtract 1 which is the difference which we have already found, which is 1. So 360 minus 1 is 359 which is the least number which when divided by 10, 9 as well as 8 which will leave the remainder 9, 8 and 7. Find the least number which when divided by 36, 48, 64 that leave remainder 25, 37 and 53. First step is we have to find the difference which is 11 because 36 minus 25 all will give 11, and after that we have to find the LCM which is 576, and the third step is we have to find the difference between 557 which is LCM as well as the difference. So which is 565 is the least number which when divided by the numbers leave the remainder respectively. So moving on to the next topic, we have to first learn what is the least 4 or 5 digit number. The lowest 3 digit number is 100 and lowest 4 digit number is 1000 and the lowest 5 digit number is 10,000. Right? With this we have to proceed further. We have to find the least 4 digit number that is divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 10. So in order to find that, we have to find the LCM of those numbers, which means 4, 6, 8 and 10. And the second step is we have to identify which is what they have given in the question, whether they have given the least 4 digit or greatest 4 digit or least 5 digit, and after getting that we have to proceed further. Okay. In the first step we have to find the LCM which is 120. And secondly we have to find what is given there, means least 4 digit number is 1000, and after that we have to divide the LCM with the least 4 digit number in order to get the remainder. What is the remainder we get, right? So 120 divided by 1000 will get the remainder as 40. So with this we have to first find the difference between LCM and the remainder. So the difference is 80, and with the difference we have to add that with the least 4 digit number where we get the least 4 digit number that is divisible by 4, 6, 8 and 10, and that will give no remainder. If you do divide this with 120 you will get the same that is given in the question. Find the least 5 digit number that is divisible by the given numbers that will give no remainder in each case. First you have to find the LCM and divide that. So okay, let me reveal the answer. So this is the answer. Kindly do check that with your answer. So the next concept is the greatest 4 or 5 digit number. So the greatest 3 digit number is 999 and the greatest 4 digit number is 9999. So and it goes on. So the difference, the major difference that is between the least 4 digit number and the greatest 4 digit number is in the greatest 4 digit number we have to subtract the remainder that we get with the greatest 4 or 5 digit number that is given in the question respectively. If we add that remainder, we will get the 5 digit number which we have to do because they have asked only to find the greatest 4 digit number, right? The steps are all the same, but it varies only in the last step. So the first step is we have to find the LCM of the given numbers, means 12, 15, 20 and 35, which is 420, and we have to divide it with the greatest 4-digit number. After doing that, we have to get the remainder. After getting that remainder, we have to subtract it with the greatest 4-digit number, which is 9999, and after that we will get 9660 as the answer, which is the greatest 4-digit number that is divisible by the numbers. Okay, it's the end, and I'm open to questions and doubts if any. Kindly do ask that in comment box or by unmuting your mic. And I believe that I have taught you the concepts clearly, so thank you.